Hello, class 9 students. Today for science, class 9, we are going to study about atoms and molecules, chapter 3 of class 9, NCERT textbook. First video of this chapter. And atoms and molecules. And we studied about elements and compounds. Elements means only one type of particles: zinc metal, hydrogen gas, oxygen gas, then magnesium, iron, copper. All these are elements. And compounds: hydrogen chloride, water H2O, sulfuric acid, sodium chloride. These are all compounds. We studied about elements and compounds. Elements, one type of particles. Compounds, different elements combined in a fixed proportion by mass. And now we have to think about atoms and molecules. An atom is the smallest particle of an element. Smallest particle. Atom we cannot see with the naked eye. So small. Atoms. We will study about atoms, different subatomic particles. What are the subatomic particles you might have heard about? Protons, neutrons and electrons. We will go through that topic in this chapter. Now we have to think about what is an atom. An atom is the smallest particle of the element that cannot usually exist independently. It cannot exist independently and retain all its chemical properties. Cannot show its chemical properties. It has no independent existence for an atom in an element. But the molecule is the smallest particle of an element or a compound capable of independent existence under ordinary conditions. It shows all the properties of the substance. Molecules: H2O, water. Sodium chloride, NaCl, sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is a compound. Water is a compound. And also we need to think about, in this nature, different elements are there, compounds are there. We cannot destroy any substance in this nature. One form of substance will transform into another form. Maybe solid into liquid, liquid into gas, and one form will change into another form by chemical reactions, chemical changes. And that is known as a particular law of conservation of mass. Just look at this law of conservation of mass. Law of conservation of mass states that mass can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. We cannot destroy matter in this world. It will transform into one form to another form. Now another law, that is law of constant proportions. Law of constant proportions. In a chemical substance, the elements are always present in a definite proportion by mass. For example, water H2O, two parts of two atoms of hydrogen combining with one atom of oxygen. If you are taking water from any place, water from New Delhi, water from Mumbai, water from Chennai, water from New York, any place in this world, water is always combined two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. This is known as law of constant proportions. In a chemical substance, elements are always present in definite proportion by mass. Okay?